getting back to basics on 3 Things Live, and last week was all about your quilt borders.
We learned how to create and bind scallop borders, make self-binding baby blankets, and we waved goodbye to wavy borders.
We worked both sides of your mind when we learned about the golden ratio and how a little math can inform your creative decisions when making your borders.
Now I can see into the mysteries of the universe.
So join us live every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain, 3 p.m. Eastern. It's time to find out why you belong here.
Everything's figure-outable.
Yep! Oh! Catch up on what you missed on Facebook or YouTube by clicking the links below.
3 Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover.
Let's go!